Alright, I got the other GoPro on today, as well as I bought a battery tender junior and got that hooked up. I took the battery to the store and they said that it was fine. It was just a little low on the cold cranking amps, but it seemed to test out alright. But I guess we'll see how it goes. First time wearing these boots too, so hopefully it doesn't screw with me too much. Hopefully it'll start. Okay, the boots definitely make it a little bit harder to shift. I have to actually pay attention here. Shifting. Should have gave more throttle there before I shifted up, but I don't know. And the old blinkers off. Little horn action. See if I can do this. I'm gonna go too fast through here. There's a lot of retards. This guy's gonna watch me stall. Great success. The boots are really weird. I'm not sure how I feel about. I just gotta get used to how much thicker they are. Cortec GX Sport Air Jacket feels really good. I don't know. I'm liking the feel of it. This is my first real ride away from all the places that I were, so. Ooh, that's a little fast for second, I think. Again, I'm still trying to learn the gear. Let's go right, actually. Killed it. Fuck yeah. Alright, let's try this again. Make sure nobody's coming. Oh, got him in neutral. The dumbass. just don't want to end up in first, because that would suck. That is lugging, I feel like. Let's go in here. Alright, I just need to practice what I'm doing. How could I do? I think I could practice my test here. My blinker was on that entire time. God, it's so hard for me to get used to. Brake before the corner. Make sure my clutch is all the way in. We'll take a right turn. Stop sign. I'm also using this as an opportunity to learn the clutch control, because as you may have seen, if I didn't edit it out, I stalled. Like that, dude. I'm retarded. I swear. I'm just afraid to give it too much throttle and then end up fucking wheeling or some shit. Yeah, I just slipped off the clutch lever there because the boots. I'm learning too much at once. Not too much, but I mean, I'm learning a lot at once. Geese, 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 geese. Hello, motherfucker. What you doing? That is lugging, Leo. That was lugging right there. Try not to slip on the slippery surface. My blinker is always on. Oh my god. I'm retarded. Just learning the gears is the hardest part for me. And now I'm looking into the sun. I'm glad I got the dark smoke visor, but at the same time, oh god damn it. What the fuck? What a retard. God, I fucking suck. Leg out. I'm gonna go back around that. Once this car moves past. What the fuck? I feel like I'm getting worse. This is lagging, god damn it. Yeah, I need taller bars. And to learn how to use my blinkers. You're not supposed to do what I'm doing right now, which is braking into a corner. See if I can take a left here without fucking stalling. Like a dumb cunt. Oh, shit. Birds! Ooh, birds! Left turn abrupt. Walmart, Walmart, come on, Walmart, do it to me now, Walmart. Stop, drop, turn around, open up shop. Trying to use my rear brake more as well, because I don't do that enough. Hello, sir. I'm a noob. A novice, and I know not what I am doing. Oh shit. Oh shit, that doesn't sound good. Ugh. Is this closed off? Yes, it is. Stop. Drop. Turn around, open up. It feels so much different once you get up to speed. I'm starting to realize. Ooh! My blinker! Ah, damn it. I should upshift like that, then I wouldn't have these problems. Now, this is the first vehicle I've driven that I have to manually change. Ooh, this is new. This is new. Holy shit. So this whole building, apparently they're making a building here. All of this is new. That's kind of cool, I guess. I don't want to go too fast because it's still pretty sandy around here. Let's go in here. I can't see. I cannot see. Okay, there is a curb here. There is a curb here. Oh, my nose is running? Really? No blinker required. No blinker required anywhere. Do a U-turn here, because I don't really want to drive on this road. Off-road. First off-roading experience. Ugh. I don't even know what all this is. Let's go over here. This is probably trespassing. Oh god. I don't know how I feel about this situation. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Death is on my doorstep. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Okay, we're good. We're golden. I don't see what the issue is. We're golden. Blinker is on. Stopping. Full stop. Moving forward. I'm a professional. I don't see what the big deal is. The dark smoke, I mean, it's better, but still, I don't think it's that great. Take a left. I just don't like that you can hear what the bike is doing, because then you can tell I'm a retard and don't know how to shift properly. Going fairly slow through here because, wait a second, I want to see what this place is. Rear view. Oh, crazy. Interesting. Interesting. Pretty interesting. Oh. I'm getting a little bit more comfortable, but I can tell I definitely still need to improve my ability to properly shift a motorcycle and know when in the, like, that was far too fast, too early. Stop, drop, turn around, open up shop, make sure this guy isn't doing a U-turn. Luckily he's not. Make sure my blinker's not on. Luckily it's not. Stop, drop, turn around, open up shop. I feel like I just need to get on the throttle more when I'm taking off. Oh Jesus. Humans that can see that I don't know what I'm doing. Humans that can see I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, that was pretty shitty, but I made it successfully. I'm getting more comfortable. I'm definitely getting more comfortable. That kid thinks I'm a fucking boss ass bitch until I slide out on this fucking gravel. Oh, he's following me on the scooter. He's following me on the fucking scooter. Checking both ways. And there's a car. Oh. He knows. She knows I know. Let's see how this feels. Oh. Trying to remember to turn my fucking blinker off. Oh yes, family basketball day. Oh God. This dog hates life. Turn around, open up shop. Hey, home. That's how Rough Riders roll.
Where have you been, Harlan? Harlan's not gonna know. Nothing. Look away. Okay, yo. Call me sometime. Your drone can come. extra gay. And I hate it.
Stop, drop, turn around, open up shop now. My helmet isn't tied. My helmet isn't tied. Probably gonna get in a wreck and I'll probably fucking die. Helmet isn't tied. Helmet isn't tied. Probably gonna get in a wreck and I'll probably fucking die. I understand what Leo is saying, and I agree with it wholeheartedly. I need to give more throttle. Black squirrel. Black squirrel, black squirrel. What? White squirrel, regular squirrel. Whoa! Ugh. Regular motherfucking squirrel. Shit. Chicka chicka chicka. Chicka 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 chicka. Motherfucker chicka 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 chicka. All these people, all these dogs, all these people, all these people with all their dogs, all these people with all their dogs, reading rocks, motherfuckers. Time to stop. Stop what you are doing. Put it in neutral and turn the engine off. Alright, so today has been the most successful day so far. And yet it tells me that I'm still a novice fucking dumb person. I just bumped the camera. Because, I still managed to stall it like 5 times today. Which is pretty horrendous considering I've ridden it 8-ish times. 3 of them being last year, but still. I guess I'm just a slow learner. Maybe I'm just slow mentally. That's always a likely cause of things. I need to probably get some new gas in there, other than the stabilized gas. But yeah, blinkers seem to be working a lot better now that it's warming up. The battery is decent. I'm not sure why it wasn't starting originally, but it seems to be doing alright now. And that's about it. More improvements to be done, but thanks for watching until then. And I'll see you later. Bye.